Hello guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the gimbal. This is iSteady Multi from Hohem. So you can mount GoPro and your phone and camera. I think that's the Sony camera. So here we go, I'm gonna unbox it. So on the box it didn't say much, it's just a 3-axis handheld stabilizer gimbal for compact digital camera. So this thing have a 3600 milliamp battery. It's rechargeable. Okay, I'll unbox it. Here we go guys. So it's come with a carrying case. There's a case right here. On the case say Hohem. As always, come with the manual and micro USB cable, they come with this for the stand, and also it come with the tool too. This tool. And come with this. I'm not sure what this is. Not yet. We'll find out. And this is I think for your phone, for the camera. So this is the gimbal. It has many screws on here for adjustment. I guess move in and out right here. And okay. Not sure what they're for. We'll find out. I guess I'll have to read the manual for this. It's a little complicated. So this is the action button, record button, picture, and this is up and down, left, right. This is on off button. I didn't charge it, so I gotta charge it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get it charged and we'll test it out. Meantime, I'll read the manual, see how to use it. I'll see you guys later. Hello guys. So I got this thing fully charged and I have a chance to read the manual for a little bit. And Yeah, so the charging port is right here. I don't think this thing is waterproof or water resistant. I'm not sure. It got like a charging port up here too, and this thing have like a lot of adjustment. You can make adjustment. I'm not sure what they're for though. I think this one you can move up and down. You can move up and down like this. Let me tighten this up. And there's another adjustment right here. You can move this in and out too. I guess it's for like if you mount like will fit the camera or something. I don't know. Space for the camera. And this one you can move it like this, and if you want to take it out, you can press this button and take it out. So this thing is for you to mount either the camera or the phone. This is the one that come with it. I think it's too small for my phone, so I'm gonna try to use this one. I'll see if it works. Alright, so the screw they give me is they give me 2 screws. Hi guys, so after some adjustment I was able to set up the GoPro so it won't touch anything. I moved this down a little bit so this won't touch, so now it goes through, it doesn't touch anymore. And I moved this in a little bit so it will be stable. So now it's stable and it doesn't make that much noise when it's adjust anymore. There you go. So now the GoPro is stable and I was able to move it in and out. Yeah, so it's stable now. And okay, let me try to mount my phone on here, see if it's stable like this and doesn't make any noise. So now if I want recording, I can do record. It's stable now. Let me turn it up and I'll try to mount my phone on here, see what happens. Okay guys, so I'm able to mount my phone on here, but it's making a little noise, rumbling little noise. I guess the phone is a little too heavy for it, but it's fine. The phone look stable and it's recording fine. Yeah, I think it's a little heavy for the phone. Maybe the mount, I think, is heavy. Alright guys, I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.